Hi, I am Zafar Iqbal. I am expert in financial planning. My profile update Upwork. Now, I am key role in expert in financial planning and financial analysis and management accounts. I am certified chartered accountant and master in finance. I have more than 12 years professional experience in foreign countries and Pakistan. This practical experience shaped my mind to work in creative and productive way. Honesty and integrity, presence and core value help me to develop myself as a brand. My employer always appreciated my work in the role of financial analysis, planning, working capital, cash flow analysis, management accounting, and accounts payable and receivable management. Professional experience in budgeting, forecasting, business evaluation, company business analysis, strategy decisions, and management reporting. But I have extra skills in experts, Microsoft Excel, BI tools, MS in Powers, and certificate in Six Sigma Green Belt. But I can do my polish in the field of Upwork preparation of financial statements, number 2 bookkeepings and related QuickBooks, cash flow books, reconcile bank accounts and bank statements, financial modeling and financial projections, solve advanced spreadsheets, perform internal audit tasks, assist in academic problem relating accounting, finance and business. But extraordinary skills in income tax for Pakistani residents, registration, your NTN, file income tax returns, file monthly sales tax returns, tax matter consultancy, tax related and matter of company business FBR relations.